Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here I'm gonna show you the procedure to do a multi-bet on Betway. If you want to do a multi-bet on Betway, you must combine two or more selections from a different event into a single bet slip. Now all chosen outcomes must win from the multi-source bet to be successful. What you need is log into your multi-bet, or you could just log into your Betway website or through an app, after which you have to choose the Sportsbook, right? So what you want to do is actually you just go ahead and homepage here. You then need to go ahead and look for these books, bet books at the bottom. You could find it. You then need to go ahead and select the specific one, or select what you want to bet for. You could simply go ahead and select soccer first of all. You could start betting it by selecting the top leagues, just like that. And you could just go ahead and look for more bets here, and then you could just go ahead and look for place a bet over here. Once you do that, or once you place a bet, then what you need is, next thing, you could add up to 40 selection in a single multi-bet. Then you have to ensure that a multi-bet or an accumulator tab is selected. So here you could just go to my bet, and you will be able to find your bet as well. And now once again you want to go to in play, and you can just go ahead and select another sports event that you want to bet onto. And this way you're supposed to multi-bet using Betway. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.